Salut! Today we proceed with the possessive pronouns and we are going to learn about the possessive pronoun your, singular, like your house when you're telling one person, your family, your classroom, your. How do you say that in French? In our last lesson, we were learning about the possessive pronoun my. If you missed that class, you can click on the link above and you'll be able to follow the lesson. We said that the possessive pronoun takes three forms. And even now, today's lesson, the possessive pronoun your takes three forms, depending on the gender and the number of the noun that we will be talking about. Bienvenue. The possessive pronoun your takes three forms. Ta, if we are talking about a feminine noun. Ton, if we are talking about a masculine noun. And te, when we are talking about a plural noun, whether feminine or masculine. Let's have some examples. If the noun is feminine, we use the possessive pronoun ta to say your. For example, your rubber, ta gom, ta gom. Your ruler, ta règle, ta règle. Your auntie, ta tante, ta tante. Your grandma, ta grande-mère, ta grande-mère. How about when the noun is masculine? We use the possessive pronoun ton to mean your. For example, your pencil will be ton crayon, ton crayon. Your pen will be ton stylo, ton stylo. Your uncle will be ton oncle, ton oncle. And your grandpa? Ton grand-père, ton grand-père. How about when we are talking about a plural noun, whether masculine or feminine? We use the possessive pronoun te. Te, for example, your backpacks. If you have more than one backpack, it will be te sac à dos. Te sac à dos. And sac is where we add an S. Te sac à dos. How about your houses? Te maisons. Te maisons. How about your pencil pouches? Tes trousses. Tes trousses. Your cousins, if they are masculine, we will say tes cousins. Tes cousins. And if they are feminine, tes cousines. Tes cousines. Have you understood what we've been learning about? Can you use the possessive pronoun your in a French sentence? Okay, let me know in the comment section how you found the lesson today. I will give you a practice activity that you can do in your own free time. And once you're done, take a picture and send it to my email, frenchwithfrida@gmail.com. I will be so glad to mark for you and to see what you have been learning so far. Here is the practice activity. Fill in the blank spaces with the correct form of the possessive pronoun your. Table, chaise, sort, frère, lit. I will repeat, je vais répéter. Table, your tables. Chaise, your chairs. Sort, your sister. Frère, your brother. Lit, your beds. Write them down in your book or on a piece of paper. Take a nice picture and send it to my email, frenchwithfrida@gmail.com. I will be so glad to mark for you. I hope you've been following the lessons about the possessive pronouns. We did the possessive pronoun my last time, and today we've done the possessive pronoun your. Keep on tuned for more possessive pronouns so that you see how they change and the difference between the possessive pronouns in English and in French. This is Learn French with Frida. Please subscribe to my channel in order to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Like this video and share it widely with your networks so that other people can also learn some French as you do. Over for now. See you in the next video.